fantastic seared salmon. Such a good dish. All right. This is Riley's second here. All right, second place, Christopher Gonzalez. Our number one winner, Bailey Gonzalez. With the most tasty seafood ever.
Yes. All right. Y'all got some help to get to the car?
I want to say again, thank you to all of our young chefs, and thank you to the families.
Congratulations, Bailey. And make sure you come back next time, okay?